It always astounded me when I would go out and get partridge or pheasant, how simple and how much they appeal to me as looking like a normal bird that you would just buy from the store and unwrap. This here is one of the chukars that we harvested, and to the naked eye it looks anything like just a small chicken or a rotisserie chicken that you might get from the store. But because of that, the basic and amazing flavor that comes out of it is just cleaner than what you get with one of those store-bought chickens. So today we're going to show you a recipe that really highlights those flavors so you can taste the true quality of the meat. It's simple, but it's tasty. Let's get started.
First, you'll want to make sure you soak your chukar in milk overnight. The enzymes in the milk will help break down the meat and make it more tender. Rinse it off and pat it dry. Then cover it in olive oil, inside and out. Next, you'll place your minced garlic all over and inside the bird, just so the flavor gets everywhere. Once you've got enough garlic on your bird to fend off every vampire within 100 miles, you'll move on to stuffing an apple all cut up inside the bird. Jeff likes green apples, but they're not my favorite. I like to use red apples, but that's up to you. Next, you'll slide your chukar into a 350-degree oven and cook for 25 to 30 minutes depending on the size of the actual bird.
This chukar really turned out beautiful. It's kind of got the tan golden tinges around it. You don't want to overcook it, but you do want to make sure that the internal temperature gets to at least 165. But because it's a wild bird, it's naturally going to have less fat. So stuffing it with the apples does help keep the juices in there, keeps everything moist, and also adds a little bit of flavor. Speaking of flavor, let's go ahead and try this. I like the leg meat myself. Man, that is really good. It has a really full flavor, very chicken-like. Of course, you could probably pass it off as chicken to somebody, but trust me, there is nothing more satisfying than climbing in the mountains, sometimes risking your life and your pants in order to harvest a bird that tastes this good, that comes from your own hands, that you can only get in the outdoors. Thanks so much for tuning in. Stay green.